This bike tool that we were provided for free to test and review works pretty well and has a lot on it. I thought it was going to just be an Allen wrench set, and it has good Allen keys. One thing I like about it is they're not too stiff. A lot of Allen key sets, they're either floppy or they're too stiff. So you've got wrenches, Allen keys, sockets, socket holder, right, piece that the socket goes on right there, and then 2 screwdrivers, all in one lightweight and well-made tool. So I'm pretty happy with it.